In this exercise, we'll simplify a rational expression. The expression that we're working with is 6x squared plus 17x plus 7 over 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Now, to get started with the simplification, I will factor the numerator if I can and factor the denominator if I can, and then we'll see if there are factors common to the numerator and denominator. So let's just go ahead and do the factoring. Factoring the numerator, I get 2x plus 1 times 3x plus 7. And when I factor the denominator, I can factor it as 2x plus 1 times x plus 3. And now I look and I see that I have a factor of 2x plus 1 in the numerator and also in the denominator. So I can write this expression in factored form as 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 times 3x plus 7 over x plus 3. And 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 is equivalent to 1. So this is equivalent to 1 times 3x plus 7 over x plus 3. And by the identity property of 1, then I know that this is equal to 3x plus 7 over x plus 3.